Are you using the right AI model in your business or just the most popular one? Because there's a big difference between hype and ROI. Today's episode of Brains, Bots, and Business, we're giving you a simple strategic framework for choosing the right large language model or LLM based on how your team actually works. Let's take away the guessing and start the scaling. So here's the situation. Everyone's heard of ChatGPT. Some teams are even dabbling with Claude, with Gemini or Mistral, but almost no one has a strategy for how they're choosing or when they should switch, and that's a problem. Because just like how you wouldn't hire someone for a job without knowing what they're good at, you shouldn't plug in an AI model just because it's trending. If you want results and not regrets, you need to evaluate based on fit, function, and fluency. So let's say you're a founder, you love how ChatGPT helps you brainstorm and write emails fast, but your marketing director, they're trying to analyze 70 slide decks, summarize PDFs, and prep reports. Different needs, different models. Claude, for example, can handle way more context than ChatGPT. Gemini plays nice with Google Workspace. Perplexity pulls in fresh cited research from the web. And some open source LLMs like Mistral give you privacy and control if you're building in-house. So choosing the right one isn't about which is best, it's about which is best for the job. So here's 3 questions you should be asking before locking in to an AI model for your business. What's the job to be done? Are we summarizing documents? Are we generating content? Are we training internal bots? Start with the task, not the tool. Number 2, who's using it and what's their skill level? Some models require prompting expertise to get great results. Others work better right out the box. If your team's not techie, don't give them an AI that needs a prompt engineer to function. 3, does it play well with your existing workflow? Claude might be better for deep documents, but Gemini might integrate well with Google Sheets. So it's not just about power, it's also about practicality and how you're going to use it. So you can use layer models. For example, use Perplexity to research, Claude to write, and ChatGPT to clean it up and format it all in one workflow. That's when you stop wasting money and start gaining momentum. So what happens if you choose a wrong LLM? Well, your team is probably going to end up frustrated, the adoption rate will drop, and they're going to blame the technology instead of the decision. And even worse, you might end up overpaying for features you're not using or underinvesting in models that could actually save hours per week. Buying the wrong AI model isn't just inefficient, it's going to create skepticism among your team. So the best AI for your business is the one your team will actually use and get results from. So rather than asking which one's better, start asking what does my team need and which model delivers that most efficiently. Because smart AI is not about jumping on trends, it's about aligning tools with the people, processes, and your priorities. Want to make this real? Grab a notepad, list the top 3 AI use cases inside your company, and audit what tools you're using for each. If your current model is not pulling its weight, it might be time for a smarter stack. This is Brains, Bots, and Business, where we're all in on AI, and we'll catch you on the next one.